In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio to Google Drive. Let's dive right in. First of all, you need to access Google Drive. It's easy. Just open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account to get started. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt asking for your credentials. Go ahead and log in. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see an interface that may seem a little complex at first if you're new, but don't worry, it's actually quite user-friendly. Look at the top left corner and you'll see the New button with a colorful plus icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. You should see the option that says File Upload. Go ahead and click that. Your computer will now prompt you with a File Explorer window where you can browse through your files. Locate the audio file you wish to upload from your device. Google Drive supports various audio formats, so whether it's an MP3, WAV, or another usual format, you should be good to go. Highlight the audio file and double-click on it or click Open in the file window. The uploading process will start immediately. At this point, you're going to see a panel at the bottom right of your screen indicating the upload progress. This is incredibly handy as it shows you how far along the upload is. The time it takes will depend on the size of your file and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, a little message will pop up confirming that your file has been successfully uploaded. Now that your audio file is on Google Drive, you have full control over how you wish to organize it. For instance, you might want to place it in a specific folder to keep things tidy. To do this, simply click and drag the audio file into your desired folder on the Drive interface. If you need to create a new folder, you can do so by clicking on the New button again and selecting Folder. Name your folder appropriately and then drag the file in. Additionally, if you want to share your audio file with others, right-click on the file name and select the Share option. This will open a new window, allowing you to add people via email or generate a shareable link. You can also set permissions, such as whether recipients can view, comment, or edit the file. Once done, click Send or Copy Link to provide access to others. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your audio files seamlessly on Google Drive. By following these straightforward steps, you can not only upload audio files, but also organize, manage, and share them effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.